In today's video, we'll be learning about Evion 400 mg capsule, its benefits, side effects, dose, precautions, etc. The key ingredient of this capsule is vitamin E or tocopherol acetate. The benefits are it is used in certain illnesses which prevent the body from absorbing enough vitamin E from the diet. Vitamin E is an excellent antioxidant. It protects the body from oxidative damages due to free radicals. It also promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. It protects the red blood cell membrane from oxidative damage. So it is mainly used for the treatment of vitamin E deficiency due to inadequate dietary intake or malabsorption, and as a nutritional supplement to support immune function and maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. Although side effects are not commonly seen, you may experience mild side effects like diarrhea and stomach pain. Overdose or use for prolonged period should be avoided. Now, what are the causes of vitamin E deficiency? It is a fat-soluble vitamin, so the deficiency occurs mainly due to poor fat absorption in the body. It is common in people suffering from diseases related to the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, cystic fibrosis, and Crohn's disease. What are the common symptoms of vitamin E deficiency? It is characterized by eye disorders, muscle weakness, loss of control of body movements, and poor nerve functions and immune response. As for the dose, you should not consume vitamin supplements more than the recommended daily dose. Take 1 capsule daily or as directed by the physician. Some of the precautions to be followed are: talk to your doctor before taking Evion if you are allergic to vitamin E or any other ingredient. If you have a bleeding condition caused by a lack of vitamin E, have ever had a thrombosis, have stomach or intestinal ulcers, heart, liver, or kidney disease, or any other medical conditions. And that's all for this video.